By cutting down a little on daily expenses, it's possible to save a significant amount by the end of the month. In today's video, we'll explore 5 simple ways to reduce unnecessary spending. With just a bit of discipline, you'll have extra money left at the end of the month. 1. Don't spend without a budget. Before shopping, whether it's groceries or anything else, make a list. Without a list, we often end up buying unnecessary items. 2. Eat out less often. Eating at restaurants or having fast food every day increases expenses and harms your health. Try cooking at home a few days a week. Even a small cut in eating out can save money. 3. Reduce electricity and water waste. Don't leave fans or lights on unnecessarily. Avoid wasting water. These may seem minor, but they add up to significant savings over the month. 4. Review your subscriptions and app expenses. Cancel any subscriptions or apps you're not using. Use free alternatives when possible. 5. Build the habit of saving little by little. Set aside just $5 a day. Sounds small, right? But these tiny savings can turn into a lifeline during emergencies. Start with these 5 simple habits, and you'll be amazed at how easy it becomes to cut down on expenses. As you go along, you'll begin to notice where your money is going, and more importantly, where you can save. Like the video? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Want to spread the message of smart saving? Share this with your friends and tell us in the comments, which of these habits do you already follow? Or do you have a secret tip of your own?